Hi, welcome to week 4. This week is all about strategy. So we're going to talk about IT, information technology, how we manage the department, how we manage the technologies, how we develop our capabilities for the business going forward, and basically the strategy behind that. Because a lot of what we have to do from an information technology standpoint is understanding really in today's modern age kind of that information is the key discriminator, and the ability for a business to leverage information better than its competitors is going to be what gives it the competitive advantage. So that's what we're going to be covering today. How do we then take that knowledge and translate that into our day-to-day operations from an IT perspective and sort of come up with a strategy for managing this department going forward that'll be most advantageous to the business. So the week's going to go like usual. We're going to have some presentations. Now this one's a little different. I'm breaking it up into 3 presentations, so I'll keep them kind of short and sweet. So we'll do that and want to get some of the deep material out there. We'll be reading in both the Technology Impact book and within the Technology for Managers book. And then we'll have an assignment by the end of the week, and of course a lecture question or a discussion question to discuss, and those kinds of things. So, and then a quiz at the end, test your knowledge. So welcome to week 4, and we'll go ahead and get started.